And that's all she wrote. 491 4x5s in one field.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Saturday and it's hay hauling day. Load number 5 in the shed. Over 100 bales. "7:30 on Saturday evening. We're gonna call this the last load for tonight. Sunday morning. We're back at hauling.
A lot of hay at the sale barn today.
It is about 3:30 on Sunday afternoon, and we have passed the halfway point of the shed. Not the halfway point of how many we need to haul, but halfway of how many will fit in here. So he is stacking them 3 high and 6 deep. And this is the teff we just baled in the last video. Sunday, and we are back to hauling some more teff. We hauled all weekend. We got 260 bales moved. I believe Evan said we got 4 more loads to get in the shed to get that full. And then we haven't decided if we're gonna stack the rest of them on the field out here or if we're gonna bring them home and stack them in the yard somewhere at home. Shed is full. You guys got to watch it in a couple minutes. Took us a couple days. It's official. We have hay everywhere. We moved about 70 loads of hay this week, brought a bunch home, brought some out to customers' homes, and we are not even close to done. But we've got hay everywhere. At home, in the fields. We still have a lot more to move, but we made a big dent in it this week. Hopefully we got some good footage for you guys. We have still several hundred acres left to make, so a lot more round bales are going to be made. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow along for more, and we'll keep bringing you the action.